Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I got a bunch of Little Debbie treats. I'm so excited for this. I love Little Debbie treats. The ones that I got are as follows. I got the oatmeal cookie ones, which are these. And then they have these new ones that are like, I don't know, like unicorn cakes. They look really interesting. And each one of these boxes is anywhere from like $1.50 to $2 for each box. And that is these ones. Ah, it's stuck together. Oh, no. These ones look really good. And they smell really good too. And then I also got, these are so good. These are the Nutty Buddies. Which are these. I haven't taken them out of the wrapper yet. These are so delicious. They're like wafers with peanut butter and chocolate. They're so good. And the last one that I got are these frosted fudge cakes, which are these ones. Right here. These look really good. I've had these before when I was younger, but these are really good. These ones, the oatmeal ones and the Nutty Buddies I've had before. These I used to get all the time as a kid. And then these ones are new, so I'm gonna try those. And then I did make a cup of coffee because it's super cold right now. If you guys can't believe it, it's actually snowing in Vegas today. It's crazy. It rarely snows here. It like snows a little bit, but by the time it touches the ground, it's pretty much water. It's gone. So I'm gonna try these ones first because these look so good. It's like strawberry in the middle. It's pretty good. I love like strawberry anything, so those are pretty good. Those are still my all-time favorite cookie. Well, do you guys like my Christmas mug? I got it like, I want to say 4 years ago. Yeah, like 4 years ago for like a Secret Santa gift at work. I love this mug because it's kind of bigger than the other ones I have. So it holds a lot more. But it's so nice. I think it's so cute. I do need a new one because it's kind of starting to crack a little bit. I'm gonna try this one. I still rate those oatmeal cookies a 10 out of 10. They're so good. And the cream in the middle is just, it's perfect. It's not like too sweet to me. It's like, it's perfect. Okay, so let's try these the frosted chocolate. Those are pretty good too. It's a little bit too much chocolate, but it's still really good. These are another one of my top faves. If you haven't tried a Little Debbie treat, you need to try one because they're so good. I feel like anytime I see a Little Debbie, I'm like, oh, this sounds so good. Like it's a honey bun is good. What else they have? They have some donuts too. The one thing I used to do with these, since they come in layers, because it's a wafer, is I would eat each layer, like layer by layer. I would like take off, like this. I would take off each layer and eat the peanut butter, because it comes with like peanut butter in the middle. And I would eat it layer by layer. I'm gonna have another one of these. So if you guys have ever had Little Debbie, or if you like Little Debbie, what is your favorite Little Debbie treat? Like, which one do you like the most? It's so cute because it's so many different colors. But the cream filling is like purple, and then the bread is pink, and it has blue outside. This one would probably be my, out of all the 4 that I got, this one is good, but it probably is not my favorite. Like if I'm craving chocolate, this would be really good. It's super soft and moist, and plus it has the cream in the middle, but it's a little bit too much chocolate. That's all I'm gonna eat for right now. I am full. If you guys saw any treats that you liked, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, as well as if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more videos. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.